Good afternoon. Justin here from the Avant-Garde collection. Thought I would do a quick walk around video for our 2017 Maserati GranTurismo Sport Spider. This is a 25,000 mile example with the updated 4.7 liter V8 producing 456 horsepower, something like that. Something north of 450. Skyhook, suspension, Cambio Corsa gearbox, Grigio, what is this? Grigio Granito is the paint color. Silver gray or silver granite. Red calipers, paint protectant film, carbon, all kinds of little extras on the window sticker. You can see those cool options. This gorgeous Bordeaux red leather. This car is owned locally by some friends of the dealership, and we're proud to offer it on Bring a Trailer. It will be ending tomorrow, or excuse me, Friday. This is a no reserve auction, so the last bidder will win this gorgeous car, and we'll be just as happy as can be, because I don't think there's many nicer or many better equipped. If you have any questions about this car or would like additional pictures or videos, please don't hesitate to ask. Happy to take pictures of specifics, and in preparation for our finale on Black Friday. What a Christmas gift someone will be getting this year. Again, thanks for watching, and let us know if we can help. Take care.